Hi guys, the other day we have learned about linear regression and the standard linear regression has one massive flaw. If anyone knows about please comment it out. If not, let me try to explain you. The one massive flaw is it's a complete perfectionist. It dies for perfection. Let's say you are predicting a used car prices based on the mileage. If you have a few the heavily modified cars with less or more mileages ran, then the standard regression freaks out due to those outliers. For example, in the graph, see check out these red dots. These are known as the outliers. It stresses over every single dollar, tries to include them and pull the entire prediction line completely biased to the outliers. So we need a model that overcomes this. We need a model that focuses on big mistakes, not the tiny ones. So the solution will be SVR, supported vector regression. Instead of drawing a fragile thin line, SVR builds a massive highway. For example, in this case, I'm quoting it as massive highway, but in the real terms of AI, it's an epsilon tube. It looks at all the normal cars falling inside this highway and basically says, good enough. I'm ignoring the cars that are outside the highway. In this case, the red cars are outside the highway, and those red cars are considered as support vectors. Those red cars helps in not stretching out the epsilon and maintaining the epsilon tube constant. And here is how the math actually works. Suppose the support vectors lock in a perfect center line at the 0 miles. The line starts at $38,000 on the y-axis and at 2000 miles it drops to $2,000. This means the algorithm figured out these cars loses exactly 18 cents of value per every single mile driven. This is also known as slope. You get slope by dividing the y-axis intercept with the x-axis intercept. So, for example, a customer brings in a car with 50,000 miles driven. The A does math, it takes your 50,000 mile, multiplies it with the 18 cents drop, and subtracts it from selling price. It traces straight up to a center line, and boom, it spits out exact predicted price, and it will be around 29 to 28,000 dollars, and that's it. Now you know about the SVR, and also you know about linear regression, what are the flaws of linear regression and when you should use SVR. Thank you guys, please like the video, follow the channel, comment any ideas or any use cases where SVR can be very useful.